Here's your daily cat fix.
Tell me your cat is a psycho without telling me your cat is a psycho.
Lover, sexy on the cover. She call me bombastic, then it's fantastic. Touching on me, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, then it's...
Aww.
You. Seriously?
Help! Please help!
Mid-row, yeah, check the whiskers. You know who runs this, straight out of the litter. Yo, I wake up round noon, stretch my paws to the sky. Humans already up, looking stressed, wonder why. I hop off the bed cause my bowl ain't full. One look at the kibble, now that in the pool. I demand that wet food, that flake fish tuna. You bought the wrong brand, man, what is to you? I'll me out at the wall till you get it right. Then I'll take one bite and be gone for the night. This my territory, every